have important updates, and as you see from the title, regarding MetaMask, which could be a little bit of a ish situation, so make sure to listen closely. But before we go that, as you see here on the screen, make sure to go and participate in the potential MetaMask airdrop, which has been confirmed. And by utilizing the code that you see on the screen or the link in the description, you will get your OG rewards or your retroactive rewards. Why is it important? Because these codes and or the link, whichever one you want to go and do it, basically showcases that you can put the link at the first step on the app. Simply, if you go to the bottom right, you will see the reward tab on your MetaMask mobile app. It will authenticate you that you are an OG user, that you will get your retroactive rewards, which go back in time for all the activities you've done over on the MetaMask wallet. So make sure to go and utilize it. Make sure to go and grab it, because it is basically a free airdrop for all of you and all of us that have used MetaMask in the past. So that is not to go and miss. But now we jump to the laptop. There is a 50% deposit bonus over on Wix. If you want to join, it's a non-KYC exchange. Everybody can join. And what does it do? Well, super simple. It allows you to go and deposit $100 and get $50 for free, or deposit $200 and get $100 for free. 50% of what you deposit, you will get it for free, which then you can take out your initial investment and trade with those free money. So I will leave the link down below. But in terms of trading, I want to go big today, and I want to go big on breakout. Why breakout? Because breakout, if those $100, for example, allows you to go and buy a $10,000 account on breakout, and you get a discount with the link in the description. But I went and bought myself a $50,000 account for only $450. And what does it do? Well, I spent $450 for a $50,000 account, which I utilize a little bit. And as you see here, I will be going and buying 2,000 shares of Hype over here for about $45,000. Once I go and purchase this, it allows me to trade Hype in a way that now that it's going low, I do believe it in it a lot, and it's gonna go up. So I bought $44,000 of Hype, and I will buy here as well. As we see here, it is filled. I'm already in profit, $22 in profit, and I will buy 8,000. No, I will buy 500 shares of Link for $4,000 to go long. And this will come back tomorrow, but this one is money. And why is it? Why can I do it? Well, I'm able to trade with $48,000 simply by paying $450, because it's a prop firm. Prop firms allows you to buy an account with X amount of money that you can pick from 5,000 to 100,000 for only $50, all the way up to $725. So come and trade with me. Also, in terms of trading, if you're new here, I do have a Telegram group, free to join. Link will be down below. I share the profit, technical analysis, and all of the things that you need to know in terms of graphs and the token itself. So I will leave that as well in the links below. But come and join breakout. As we see here, I have opened my position and I got a $48,000 position going on. But talking about the airdrop and some of the updates. So first of all, we do have the Jupiter vote, as we see right here, which they have a new proposal burning the litter box, which basically means that they have about 130 million Jupiter tokens currently in the litter box, which is 4% of their circulation supply. And there are two options: to burn them or not to burn them. I will go and burn the Jupiter litter box. The less the circulation supply is, the better it is. And honestly, I do not want them to be used for the things that they have done recently, which was to hand them out for like creativity and rewards and stuff like that. Just go and the holders right now. So I will go and vote that. Of course, this will be an implementation for your airdrop as well in the future when it comes to it. So make sure to go and vote, and simply go jump into the backend and see here. If you have voted, you will see that it is completed, just like I have it right over here. So this one, it is voted. Now, next up, we also have the ZKPass that is airdropping 48.5% to their community, 12.5% at TG, with a 6-month linear vesting over 3 months, then 30% over 5 years. So it is a nice little update over here, which I will take you once we can go and claim it. Once we're able to go and do all the things that we need to do, I will take it to you. In terms of another trading platform, which we have talked about, Pacifica. Now, make sure to go and earn, and it's super easy to go and do multiple wallets over on Pacifica. Why do I suggest that? Because there's going to be ranks to it, and the point system, the more points you earn, the more airdrop you receive. And if you go and trade $1,000 over on Pacifica, you probably get X amount of points. But if you divide them into 3 different accounts, 300, 300, and 400, you have 3 different wallets which are going to be scaling into the ranks, and then you will receive the airdrop. And it is super easy. You simply need to log out to your current through the link down below, go and sign up another one, which you will get a 10% discount as well from it if you use the link down below, and you're good to go. But what is important about it? Well, first of all, they have updated their point system, and I currently have 10,000 points, and I do have a trade open as well over on Hype. But we have a bit of a calculation for what the points are gonna be, and you can take a look at it. You can stop the video right now, but in my opinion, we're gonna be launching between a 600 million to a 1 billion fully diluted value when it comes to it. Why? Also because Pacifica is rising. Like now we got a $1.3 billion day, and we can see how nicely it is rising from the 700, 800, going up to 900, 1.4, 1.3 billion. So it is going up really, really nicely. And I do believe that the points are gonna be there. There's different assumption, but one of the point system per point, you would potentially be getting between 20 cent and 40 cent per point. So if we're doing the calculation now with about 10,000 points that I have, I'm looking at about a 3 to 4 grand in profit, which by the way, keeps updated every week with the trades and all of that. And another one is Gravity, which we talked about a lot, and I will leave the link down below. Again, non-KYC, you can go and do 3, 4 different accounts. I do have position open as well, and I do have the points allocated right here. Now, the points over on Gravity, they are way more valuable. And yes, Gravity is absolutely looking strong. It is here at 1.14 billion. They have $50 million in interest, which I'm gonna go and showcase right now. And we can see the beautiful growth that they'll be having recently. As we see here, per points, we are calculating that if a fully diluted value of half a billion, which I don't think we're gonna get there, I think we're gonna go to the 1 billion fully diluted value, we are looking between $35 and $50 in terms of the point per price. So currently, if I'm looking with my 1 billion statistic on an average $40, I already have four times, let's say $100 times 100 points times 40, I already have $4,000 just from these season 2 points, which is absolutely incredible. So definitely under farm. Pacifica only has about 20,000 members going for it. Gravity over here, if we go and look at, by the way, they have just shared their open interest right here, which it is growing nicely from the CEO himself, Hong Ye, over here. They have been growing about to 40 to 50 million in open interest, which it is really, really good. Gravity only did the airdrop of the point the last week when they have done it, as we mentioned already and already again, because it is important. They only mentioned it and they did send it out to 9,000 people. Now, this is exponentially good. Why? Because there's so much under farming, in my opinion. As we see here, 9,000 people, it is very much under farm, and the points are super easy to go and get, and you can make a lot of points. So definitely go and join Gravity right now. I will leave the link down below. I have open trades. I do like it. It's actually one of the best calls, in my opinion, that we can see for the coming perpetual dex airdrop, which it is really, really good. And let me check a second over here. As we see over on breakout, just a quick check. I am in profit on link. I'm a little bit on loss on hype, but nonetheless, this is super nice to go and trade with this amount of money and be able to make so much profit as well. Next up, I want to talk about the Metamask situation, which is what also the title implies in this video. Now, as we see here, we have a comparison between 4 different exchanges and the swap fees, and that's why for me it's a little bit of a bad situation for the Metamask airdrop. And what am I talking about? Well, one swap, if you swap between $1,000 from USD BC, as we see here, to USDC, which are two stable coins on base, it should be 1 to 1. Like you should send 1,000, you should return with 1,000. On MetaMask, it only gives you $991. So you are losing $9 on the swap and on the bridge, or on simply on the swaps, which are 0.875 fee. If you do it on other platform, you get 999, 999.99. On Jumper Exchange, you actually get 1,000.05. So you are actually no fee whatsoever, plus a very small 5 cents. So why are they doing it this? Is it because they're farming? Yes, I do think that they are farming the user. I don't want to call it a proper scam, but it is kind of a bad situation for being able to go and swap over there. Yes, there is an airdrop situation, and yes, you can make a lot of money with the airdrop over on, MetaMask when it comes out, but it is very much frustrating to see that they are farming. They don't need this amount of money. They already raised a lot of money. They already have a lot of money. Like MetaMask itself has a very nice evaluation. They got money in the back. There is no explanation why they're charging about 1% fees per swap. If it's not that everything, literally everything, goes towards the airdrop, most likely not. But you gotta be careful with it. When you go and swap, when you go and get the airdrop, when you want to go and farm the airdrop, you have to be careful to it, because you have a 1% fee, which is not a joke. Like if you go 1% by 1%, you go end up losing your money. Instead of jumper, you can farm the jumper airdrop, you can go between bridging and swapping and all of that, and it doesn't cost you 1% per swap. And I don't even want to think about the bridges. I haven't checked much the bridges. I've seen the swaps on base. It is a lot of money. So just be careful, make sure to remind that, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.